So relationships aren't always what? Well,
Great.
go on up, run up, no. Well, I know what they're trying to say. It's not always easy, and each has their unique highs and lows. And sometimes when we are unsure, hurt, or we're confused, we might seek advice from a friend, from someone in the family, from even a co-worker. But are all the advice that you get good advice? Well, in today's He Said, She Said, she will discuss relationship advice to take or not to take, because she's the expert.
Is it?
Right, so they give us some little headlines, and we must say whether or not this is good or bad advice. The one say, show them who is the boss, don't let them push you around. So what you talking about? I must show her he's the boss, or she must show me she's the boss? What you mean?
The two of you.
No, I don't think no boss thing must be in. So I disagree with that. I don't think anybody's in a boss in a relationship. It's a partnership, isn't it? She foolish.
No, I don't think you should be trying to boss anybody.
So
but
you agree with
also,
me?
no.
You don't agree
I
with me?
agree with a part of the statement. The second part, absolutely positively. Don't make nobody should be around.
So you feel somebody should be the boss in the relationship?
No, but I don't think. I think you're both to be boss.
Meaning, that means it.
Yeah,
Right.
but I'm saying I don't disagree with the first part because it's not a competition for CEO.
Yeah, all right.
But I agree with the second part.
Don't let them push you around. Okay, all right. You're kind of confused. In other words, you agree, you say, but me, I agree too.
No.
Of course I did. So no, don't make nobody push you around. And I don't think anybody should be the boss. And in some relationships, it's almost like, all right, she's the lady, but she must do this, and I'm the man, I must do that. I don't agree with that either, by the way. I think who is good at whatever should, and we share everything. What's the second one?
I can't read this. I can't read. Stay quiet. Don't make it worse.
Which means what now? So if we start arguing things, if we just shut up and...
Say sometimes that is a necessary thing though.
To be fair, me kind of stay so.
I think it's important.
I stay so. So when I see it, I get... And they just stop. I don't... At the end of the day, I don't think it helps. But why you have the camera on me for so long like this?
Cutaways are not a thing.
No.
But if you stay quiet in an instance when it's not wise to speak, you should speak about it when there's an opportunity, when you both calm down. Because what's going to happen is that the behavior is going to be perpetrated.
So we start quarrel.
Yeah.
And then we realize that the quarrel get away.
And
so we stop. And then when we calm...
we don't stop. You stop.
Right.
And I just keep on going.
Right.
You decide that you are done.
Okay, so when we decide to work it out now?
At some point when things have calm, you would say to me,
I remember this morning, you was going on bad.
This morning, you can't do it the same day, perhaps. You have to go wait till all of the members are very cool. So the next day, you probably say, boy, same.
Yeah, me never told.
I never like how you deal with it.
Yeah. And then you just say, yeah, but I had to do that. And you start
then we
again.
flare up again, and then you stop again, and then the next day, and
so all December,
repeat.
we still are trying to work it out. All December, we still are trying to work it out. But I am guilty of that. And I say guilty because people accuse me, say it's foolishness I do because
sometimes you have to speak up for yourself, though.
Yeah, but sometimes, you see when you say red and I say black, and I say red, and you say black, and after a while, I just say, all right. Because to me, and then you're going to end up saying something that you probably never did want to say because you're so riled up.
That's the nature of arguments. You say sorry after that. Try not to say it, but if you
Now,
do...
I don't mind saying sorry. I just don't like to say something that I really didn't want to say.
So don't say it.
Yeah, but sometimes when you lose your cool, things just drop out like COVID. Not COVID, but I don't mean that. But I think Sheffield understand what I'm saying.
I tried so hard. I tried.
All right. Just read their chat. You have the right. What? I don't understand that. Explain, please.
Go into their phone and look up there something then?
No, sir.
Negative.
You're not going in nobody's phone.
I'm not in
nobody not
private
going in my phone.
No.
That's what that means, though? That's what that means, Shauna?
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You say you're not going into anybody's phone and nobody not going into your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the same thing as you would have a problem if she wanted to go into your phone?
Yeah.
Why?
Because if you don't trust me, then you shouldn't be around me. Because if I don't trust you, I'm not going to be around you.
So what if you've proven that you're shady?
Then we shouldn't have a relationship. Well, why would you want to be with somebody shady? If I think you're shady,
sometimes you don't know, you know. Sometimes you don't know initially.
No, if I get to the stage that I have to think, say you're up to something and I need to look in your phone, I don't want to be a part of that.
Agreed.
I don't want to be a part of that. If I reach that stage, I don't want to be a part of that.
What if she says, Neville, if I can trust you, I should be able to look into your phone. I mean,
well, that
it's
means
not
you don't
something I do regularly, but let me see it.
Well, that would mean you don't trust me. So that is almost...
Or would that mean you're hiding something?
No.
Dun, dun, dun.
No. I am very straightforward and very simple. You see, I trust you. So if you're beside me and you chat, as long as I trust you, I don't care. If I get to the stage that I have to wonder and say, let's sit it up to a while ago.
Okay, in a court business that.
Yeah, me don't want to be a part of that.
Okay, sir.
If I be on the phone, I'm just,
Later.
Yeah, all right. All right. It is your duty to please your partner. Duty? Duty is an interesting word. I think I should please my partner. But duty is an interesting word. Did I use a word there? Is your duty to please me? I'm glad them put the camera for you. See? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. I'm talking about man and woman, not necessarily me and you.
I think we're obligated to please each other.
Yeah, I would want to please my lady, but I don't know about
But
duty.
I'm afraid of that word, please.
That is...
Not duty, please.
Is it due to be afraid of?
Because suppose a part of my partner's pleasure is feeling like it must come fling back after me and, you know what I mean?
No,
to let out his frustration.
But you're being extreme there. I mean, in other words, we know if we have football.
No, actually, I do not agree with this.
I don't know if I want to have football shooting practice and I will say, stand up over there, but me kick two balls.
No, because you have people who use this to say, if you don't make a certain change about yourself, you are saying you don't love me. If you don't, could be a physical change or I don't like this.
I don't know. But I think I should make an effort.
We strive to make each other happy.
I should make an effort to make my partner happy. But I don't know about the duty. We get the wrap-up signal. Make him, her jealous. No, I mean, I make nobody jealous. I am a bit of a jealous person still, but I make nobody jealous. If you're unavailable, they'll want you more. Who says so? This one, no, the last one, I will just come out and say this one's stupid. You're almost 40. You have to lower your standards. That dunce. Actually, as a matter of fact, you're almost 40. You should up your standards. I'm not lowering my standard for nothing at all. No, nothing at all. But you agree with that?
Me over 40, so we can't talk about
me way over.
Here.
So you have to lower, you would lower your standards?
No,
Thank you very much.
In that.
No, you're mad.
I don't believe in that.
But the floor manager have been kittens. We're going for a break.